What's up, people? Jacob here again. Out here working. Gotta check out truck. No start. Don't want to start up. So I'm gonna go through this. I'm gonna show you guys steps through. Check the batteries. See what it's doing, and jump start it. Get it running. Charge the batteries up. Stay tuned. Okay, I got my work order all set. Look this up. All right. I'm gonna show you guys now. Got the truck running. Got a phone right here. And on the truck and on the kid. It's positive. See the stud, make sure it's metal. Sometimes they're plastic. Okay, well, they're good. Make sure it don't ground out. That goes for the batteries for now, and then switch it out after. So it's tangled up. There we go. So this is already set up, positive, negative. Checking the lights on. Got a glow plug. I'm in Florida, so not bad. So let this charge for a couple minutes. We'll get back. Okay, you see here, I pulled the positive off. I got the negative over there. So I'm gonna connect, test here. Let's get through this nasty stuff. All right, right now the batteries are showing 13 volts. All right. I haven't charged it long. I just put the cable. I just want to see if the batteries are. I'm gonna see what's going on with this now real quick. I'm gonna try to start it. All right, disconnect cables. All right, now I gotta change these batteries out. So I'll disconnect the negative lead first, and then the positives. And on this, I got to remove on an international, remove this step on the 4300. And then once I remove this step, then there's these 2 bolts on each side of the battery box. And then this piece right here, zoom out, right here, yeah. This will come right out. And then I can loosen up the hold down for the batteries, bring it down, and then bring the batteries out that way. So stay tuned for that. I'll get this all ripped apart. See, they're changed out now. I don't see no crusty batteries in there no more. And over here. All right. So just gotta put this back in place. It's the hold down. So just gotta raise it up. Put that there. Then it's the reversal of this. So get that back on. This guy. Oh, right there goes in. Goes over that. Negative. Okay. Red and black. Goes on like so. On there. On there. And now. Alright, get the stuff put away. Let's go and try it out. Alright, got it. Watch all the lights. Click, click, click. Voltage is up. Glow plugs is out. Check engine light went out. Just crank her over. Yeah, what a nice set of batteries with good cool cranking amps do. Alright. Almost forgot. Gotta carry these bad boys back. Okay, all locked and loaded. Throwing the towel now. Stay tuned for more.